Rhapsody fan, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and in today's video I am going to share with all of you my denim collection. So whatever I have to wear in denim bottom, I am going to share all those denim jeans with you guys. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, and before we dive into this video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Also, if you are wondering how I have created this nude look, this look is inspired by the one and only Katrina Kaif. So if you are interested to know about this look, please go and follow me on my Instagram where I have uploaded this look already. I am assuming, and if not, that it is going to be very soon over there as well. And for Instagram, I have created so many makeup videos that I am never going to upload here. So if you are interested, then please go and follow me on my Instagram as well. The link will be in the description box down, and somewhere here will be the handle name. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And now, without any further ado, let's dive into this video. Guys, I'm sorry I forgot to mention that all the links will be in the description down below. So if you want to buy anything or you want to try your hands on anything, you can just check the description box down. So it will be easier for you to check out. Except Shein, I will not link Shein. Now with that being said, let's begin. I hope you guys can see the denim completely. I'm sorry if that's not visually appealing, because that's the best way I could show this to you. This is from Roadster and not very expensive, like for $6-7, $600-700, and the jeans is very nice and the fitting is also nice. It's like monkey wash, and I love to style this with white tees. I like the fitting and everything. This is my most favorite denim jeans till now. This I bought from Above, All About Fashion. This was a brand by Tata Birla Ambani, something like that. But I cannot wear it right now because if you can see on the thigh, the tone part has been open a lot, so I cannot wear it right now. But this is the best jeans I ever had in my life till now, and the fitting is everything is very nice. Color is also very nice. Everything is nice. This fit me very perfectly that I didn't have to trim it नीचे से. Like no alteration I have done with this. ये वाली जब मैंने जीन्स ली थी ना, वो मैंने इसलिए ली थी क्योंकि जो पहले वाली थी, मैंने जैसे बताया कि जो टोन है उसका काफ़ी ज़्यादा ओपन हो चुका है थाई से, तो मैं उसको ज़्यादा नहीं पहन सकती, तो मैंने ये वाली ली थी. बट मेरे को लगा कि सेम होगा, बट फैब्रिक एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. समहाउ लुक वाइज दे आर सेम, बट कंफर्टेबल मेरे को वो ज़्यादा थी क्योंकि वो गर्मी में पता ही नहीं चलता था मैंने पहन रखी है. बट दिस इज़ लाइक लुक वाइज सेम, बट अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट द सेम, बट ऑल्सो अ गुड वन अगेन. This is a gift from my bhabhi's parents. So when my niece born, they gifted this to me. I don't know why they gifted this to me. Of course they have bought something for my niece as well, but भाभी के घर वालों ने ये मुझे भी दी थी. फिटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. ये भी शायद मुझे ट्रिम नहीं कर, मेरे को याद नहीं है करवानी पड़ी थी या नहीं, बट फिटिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. द कलर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. लाइट ब्लू डेनिम कलर looks perfect. You can style this in so many different ways. I don't know the price, and this is from a local market or something, but a very nice denim jeans. This one I got in collaboration with Shein. This is a wide leg denim jeans. जो नीचे से थोड़े से बेल बॉटम होते हैं तो थोड़े से खुले होते हैं. नो दिस इज़ नॉट द परफेक्ट साइज़ फॉर मी. आई गॉट द लार्जर साइज़. एंड जब शीन के साथ आप कोलैबोरेट करते हो ना, तो एक इशू होता है दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड योर परफेक्ट साइज़, अदरवाइज वो आपको रिटर्न करके एक्सचेंज नहीं करेंगे. सो या मैंने इसको शायद 3 या 4 बार ऑल्टर करवाया, फिर भी इसने मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा, मतलब still doesn't fit me perfectly. If you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but the नीचे से दोनों भी equal नहीं है और काफ़ी loose भी है. And this part looks this one again I got in a collaboration with Shein. This is a very nice denim. Everything is nice. The size is like one size larger than me, but that's fine. I style it in so many different ways. मैं टॉप में थोड़ा सा fitted टॉप पहन लेती हूँ, and this looks perfect and everything is nice. You can style it so many different ways as well. This is a wide leg jeans, boyfriend size में perfect है. Like this is a nice one and I love to wear this because in summers इस तरीके की डेनिम्स पहनने में बहुत कंफर्टेबल और हवा आसपास होती रहती है तो मज़ा आता है. So these are all I have in my denim jeans collection, guys. These are very minimum pieces yet very versatile at the same time. I style them in many different ways, so I don't need to buy many denim jeans. So I'm okay with all I have. The one I want to have is a better bell bottom jeans. Like the one I have from Shein is not really a good one if I talk about the fitting and all, but I want to buy another denim bell bottom denim which has better fit. So this is only what I want to buy in my denim collection right now. I don't think there is anything else that I want to add right now. Also, I just mentioned that I do style them in many different ways, so if you guys are interested to know how I style these jeans, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to create a video on how to style a denim in different ways. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And please make sure that you subscribe, I have already said that, and make sure that you follow on my Instagram as well. And I have just told you in the beginning of this video that I upload so many original content that I do not upload here, so make sure that you follow me over there as well. And please share this with your friend, family and everyone. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.